Welcome back to another fun things to do in summer. I have done quite a few of these trying fun things to do in summer videos. I've done them every year for the past few years already. We are trying out some fun things that we've either seen on the internet that look like they'd be fun, and we're gonna test them out today. As always, I like to have my friends in this video. Today I have Peter. Hey skinny girls. Hey skinny. We are back. You're all playing with slime. Today we have Peter and we're gonna do a lot of fun activities. We also have Squishy Bunny. He is currently restocking some slime, so he'll be popping in and out of the video. Shout out to Squishy Bunny.
The bestest, the baddest.
So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into some fun things to do this summer. Girl. Another thing we actually did in the very first fun things to do in summer video was making ice cream.
Ooh, I loved the ice cream.
It was me, Peter, and Elizabeth.
At 3 o'clock in the morning.
It was like 3. we were making homemade ice cream. So today we decided to bring that back, but give it a little twist and make Italian ice. Have you actually tried Italian ice before?
I don't think I've ever had Italian ice.
So I actually found a recipe online. Let's do it. Okay, so if anybody wants to follow this recipe, you need to zest 2 lemons and you need to juice 5 lemons.
Zest it, honey, zest it. I gotta juice these lemons.
Ooh. We're gonna boil 4 cups of water. And we're gonna need 1 cup of sugar, adding it into the water, and it's gonna dissolve in there. So let it get nice and warm to dissolve the sugar. Now that we have the sugar melted into our water or dissolved, we're gonna add in the zest and the lemon juice. Did you just fart?
Did I? I did. My bad. Girl,
So
about to let
here
out
goes
another.
1 tablespoon of
zest.
Of zest.
And this, just add the whole thing in there?
Yeah.
We love cooking with Karina.
So we're just gonna pour it into a flat container, pop it in the freezer, and when it's in the freezer, you stir every 30 minutes for 30 hours, girl. Every 30 minutes for those 3 hours in the freezer, you stir it so that it doesn't completely form into a block. Okay, we'll be back in 30 minutes, and then 30 minutes after that, and then 30 minutes after that, and then 30 minutes after that, and then 30 minutes after that. Okay, time to stir. It's been 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, you guys, we left it in way too long. No!
It was supposed to be more slushy, like, huh?
Like soft serve.
Okay.
There's more like icy.
I definitely would call it ice, but I don't know if I should call it Italian even. If you're not like on top of it in the exact 30 minutes, like this stuff will start to freeze really quickly. It looks more like ice. I gotta say this is actually bomb, but it's more icy than anything.
It tastes amazing.
We love fun. Skinty girl.
It's so good.
I wouldn't call it Italian ice, but I think it's bomb. It's really good.
It's low-key more of an raspado.
That's exactly what it is. Okay, so another fun thing to do this summer is do some tie-dye. A little DIY moment, and since tie-dye is in, I feel like it's a perfect time to like actually try it out. Rit, this is the brand we got, and you mix this with water. So you mix 2 tablespoons of this with 2 cups of water. We pre-soaked and rinsed them. Scrunch it up into a circle or just scrunch randomness and tie them up with a rubber band. I'm just gonna go in now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
She's cute, she's cute.
I feel like it's gonna be really pretty. Like once you rinse it off, I feel like it's gonna be a really pretty tan, like mauves.
Peter's yours looks like a snow cone.
I see people who like literally just fill it up.
I mean, mine might look cool. Mine might look whack, so.
First tie-dye ever.
Look at him, he's going off.
Okay, now we're gonna let this dry for 30 minutes. It's been about 30 hours. It's the next day. Let's just see what we did. Oh my God, I hope we didn't ruin this. So the next step is wrapping it in saran wrap and throwing it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So then you rinse it with cold water, then you throw it in the laundry. Let's do it. Oh my God, I'm actually living for mine. It kind of reminds me of the bleach ones. She's cute. It's a vibe. I really like it.
Mine's
Oh, and then that one,
A little 70s moment.
I love that.
Look at her.
Oh my gosh, they came out really good. So we're gonna put this in the washer and that's when we're gonna see what it really turns out. Like what if it lines up or something, who knows? Okay, our tie-dye is done. We have them on right now.
Ah! Look at them. They're so fresh.
I think they came out so cute. They look like they were bought like this, huh? I feel like you honestly can't go wrong with any color. Like I literally, okay, I wanted to go for mauve colors, like mauves, like nudes. But I feel like it's like a purple brown, but I'm living for it. And I did a whole set.
Give us a walk, honey. Give us a runway. Give us a strut. A little pose.
Okay.
Walk. Yes, curve. Yes, girl.
Made one too, girl.
Yes, she did, honey.
She made a whole set.
We love her.
And Squishy Bunny got a shirt too. He added a mix of different colors on his.
Yeah, I got a little spiral action because of Karina.
He did the spiral.
But I put brown, blue, and yellow.
So skinny. So I've been seeing a lot of people do their projectors and making like, you know, a little drive-in moment with their cars, or also just setting it up in their yard. So I thought we would use the back of Raul's truck, put some blankets down, put some pillows down, some snacks, project a movie onto this right here. If it works out the way we think it will, I think I might just like stay here all night and watch movies. I'm so excited, let's do it. Oh my god!
Bye, 2020.
Why is it going so fast? Oh, perfect! Oh my god! We have all the blankets, we have the pillows, we have snacks, we have candles. So we're just gonna watch movies, chill. It's about to be a good night. We're having a little movie night. If you have a pickup truck and just any type of wall that you could project onto, it is so fun. I can't believe we've never done this before. You know what's something really underrated during summer?
What is it, girl?
Stargazing, girl. I just feel like stargazing is one of those things that it's literally free. You go outside, lay on the floor, lay anywhere, look up at the stars, and it looks so beautiful. This is not a sponsor, but if you guys want to get a really cool experience stargazing, you know, go out, look at the sky, and get this app, Sky View, and you see where all planets are, where the stars are. You point your phone anywhere and it tells you what is in front of you. Something about space just always trips me out. You know it's there, but until you're out in the dark looking up at the sky, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm hurtling through space right now. Like, it's the simplest things in life that are the most beautiful, like actually. So I actually saw this on Pinterest where you put wubble bubbles filled up with water and you put them on a trampoline. Also, the picture I saw on Pinterest was literally like 3-year-olds doing this. I think it'll be fun. Okay, so there's this tiny hole in there and you just kind of like open it up and then you're gonna put in some food coloring. Might be a little bit messy, but whatever. You got your water hose. Turn it on. Oh, and you also want to do this on the trampoline. I've worked with wubble bubbles before that are full of liquids and you cannot move them once they're done. Look, it's following him. Like when you move it, it literally follows you.
Aww, we love a baby.
We love Flubber. Boom. Oh. Whoa, that looks pretty.
Oh no.
Oh my god, if this thing just snaps on me right now,
Floor.
it's gonna snap!
No, I'm probably
Okay,
not.
we're just gonna move around. That's really what you do. You just kind of just jump and I don't know what we're supposed to do. Oh my god, we're literally in pants. What are you
We're in
doing?
pants. Oh my god, my jeans.
What in them?
Oh my god! Raul!
My aesthetic
Bro, please.
jeans. I'm just kidding.
I don't know! Oh my god, man!
Just get in it, mama. Go in it.
Oh my god, I'm
sister.
literally soaked right now. Oh my god, I'm rolling. This is so weird. Oh my gosh, yo, this is like actually really comfortable.
Go up, go up.
Oh my god. I'm floating. I'm
Oh
floating.
my god.
Like I'm floating on top of it.
Doesn't it feel weird?
I'm floating. Oh my god.
Oh my god, these are my new shoes.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Oh no. that's fun. Oh! Oh, running fun.
She struggles getting off of it. Come here, baby. Let's get you up. Like usually for these videos, we always do something in the pool. So I got this pretty cool floaty online. I feel like I like hanging out in the pool, but sometimes you don't fully want to like go in. Like you want to be in the pool, but you don't want to be like soaked, you know? Just getting a fun new floaty could just make your pool day that much better.
Oh my gosh, no you didn't.
Like you literally sit on it and everything. Oh my god. This is where we're about to blow up right now.
So skinny.
Got a ladder.
A ladder?
Oh my god, there's a ladder!
Okay, I'm excited about this one. Oh! Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, Ro, get in.
Bro, get in.
Oh my god, this is so fun.
Oh, this is everything.
Look at this. Okay, this is my favorite one. All right, girl, you're gonna have to jump.
Do it, here. Move your next
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! I love her! I am living!
Oh my god, I almost fell in.
We literally want to invite our friends over tonight just to hang out in the pool with some snacks.
Absolutely adored her. She's a man. Of course. But
You know what? This was really fun. We are not done with this. We're gonna come back in tonight. Like that's how fun that was. This is one of my favorite things we've done today. So some of you guys may have seen the video where we spent 24 hours in a bubble. I thought it would be a fun twist to put the bubble tent in the pool. There's ventilation inside the bubble, and also when you put the air mattress in there, it actually would float from what I think. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna give it a shot. Ooh, she is filthy. She's been through a lot. Tent is going in. Little vlog footage.
fun things.
We have a couch. Oh my gosh. We're really doing this, huh?
Oh my god, you're on. How do we look?
Guys, we're in the pool.
Ah!
We're in the pool in the
In
bubble
the tent. Living our best lives. Just here chilling in the bubble tent.
In the pool, girl.
In the pool.
Hold it.
He was making TikToks, twerking. Follow him on TikTok, girl. Squishy's actually in the pool getting wet, hey? And protecting us and keeping us from floating too far. I literally think I'm gonna take a nap in here. Like, I'm closing off this video, but I'm gonna stay in here. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye from the bubble tent in the water.